All right, ready? 14, 13, 11, 15, 11, 5.
Any wagers?
I want to guess, but not with them around.
The darker one is a no bueno.
Yeah.
That blonde one though.
What about you guys?
Oh, we saw a bunch of elk. Probably had the big one right there, but my stupid rangefinder wouldn't work in my binoculars for some reason.
How far do you think he was?
It was far enough that we needed range, probably 500 yards. It's all right.
Yep.
Killed one the first morning. What fun would it be, right?
Yeah.
Ohio shotgun range. Exactly.
So ends day one. We did have some elk come in the water, just no shooters. That's the bad news. Good news is it's burger night at camp, so I'm hungry.
It's processing day. We've got some camp meat. These guys shot an elk, and this camp needs to eat the rest of the winter, so we're gonna break everything down, get it sealed up, grind some hot Italian sausage for these guys. They're gonna have a whole bunch of meat to feed this camp.
Good one,
$50
Jeff.
a pound.
Go elk. Let's kill some elk.
Morning of day 3. The good word is that the weather cleared out and it's calm. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 34 degrees. And it feels good today. Good country, but no elk. Vamos. Let's go cut some meat. Yeah.
Racking a little jerky today. Season it up with our original Bearded Butcher blend seasoning. We did 12 pounds. We used 1 bottle. We're going to use the 10 tray dehydrator. We're going to put it in there for about 6 hours. Come back. We'll have a snack for the rest of the week.
The wind has finally settled down. We have a really good feeling about tonight. We're gonna sit over some water and see what happens if we hear some bugles. We're gonna go chase them.
Last night, covered up an elk. Must have seen 40 or 50 mix of cows and bulls. Just nothing quite what we were looking for. We're headed back out this morning. We're hoping a nice big solid bull comes in. We can thump him.
Check this out. Let's see if there's anything in that rubber bottom. Where is it? It's on 300. Yeah. Just stay right where that cow is. The cow's on the left. Yeah. Not that one. Cows. That's the big one right there. Behind him. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yep.
All right, get out in the meadow. You can't even see him on there, right there.
No,
there
I
you
could.
go. Okay,
I
all right,
could
now I got him. All right. Yeah, you can hear it hit on the guts.
Yeah, watch here.
So that bull crossed the fence right in here. Let's cruise up just over this rise.
Okay.
We should have a little vision.
Okay.
We'll see if we can't get back on him, and it'll be quick if it happens.
Okay,
all right?
I'll be
Let's
ready.
check it out.
Yeah. Go right over this little ridge. Look down at the bottom. Dig on him. Wait, stay on him. I think it was a good shot. I think he's good. Okay. He's good. Let's check it out. Gun's unsafe. Clear. I feel good. Yeah. Hope he went down.
So we feel like we got a pretty good hit on this bull, but we can't see where he went down. You guys stay right here.
Okay.
Watch this hillside.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back around, check for a little blood, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, let's go.
Wait for your signal. Last morning here in New Mexico, Compass West Outfitters. We shot a bull last night. On camera, it looked like a good hit. So we let him go overnight. We're headed in this morning, see if we can locate him. There's already. Dead bull. Yes. Dead bull. Yes. Woo. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Man. Wow. Whoa. This is a dream come true, Jeff. Yes. Wow. My first elk. I'm thrilled. Absolutely thrilled. Love it. Absolutely love it.
Next 5x5 last day bull, brother. Last day bull.
Wait, I've been wanting to do this.
Get that morning sun. There
Same
you go.
same color as the bull.
There you go.
Yes. Oh, man. Oh, I love it. Yes.
Day 5. You hunted hard, you were patient, you did everything right, and it came together in the end. Last morning.
Let's get your delicious meat off, boy.
All finished quartering. Everything's in game bags. We're gonna do a little bit more trimming on this, get a little bit more of this meat off of here. We certainly don't want anything to go to waste. We're gonna get out of here.
Hell yeah. Nice, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Good job. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Is that the 6x5? Nice bull, Scott. Thank you.
Yeah. Got him. Nice.
Feels good, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Redemption.